Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand how watermark can be applied. Watermark is being used for mostly the copyright material, let's say, or if you want to prevent your document to be printed by any unwanted person. So how to apply this? You need to go to page layout tab, then go to watermark. There will be predefined watermark, like you can see confidential or do not copy. I am going for confidential, let's say, and here you can see each and every page of the document having confidential in the background. However, if you want to remove it, you need to click on watermark once again and click on remove watermark. You can give whatever you want to give, or image, also in text by yourself. So you need to go to custom watermark. For that, go for picture watermark, select the picture. Let's say I have made a selection of this picture. Washout is going to be a good option. If you will remove this washout, apply, so you will see that the reflection is a bit dark, which we don't prefer actually if we are giving something in the background. So I'm going for washout, apply. So it's going to be like this, and it's going to be in each and every page of this document. However, if you want to give any text, not image, so go for text watermark, and whatever text you want to give, let's say I'm giving my institute name, I turn. Whether you want this in the diagonal manner or horizontal manner, you can do the selection. I have selected diagonal, apply. So you can see that. Also the color of the text you can select. This is the size, it is auto, because it's going to be adjusted according to the number of characters you have written. Also you can give the color, so I've given this color and it's coming. Again, if you want to remove it, go here and click on remove watermark. This is how watermark can be applied. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.